So everybody's talking about this ICE raid this morning in Gretna, where a Gretna police officer insisted that there's a 25-foot buffer zone for anybody filming the arrest. But that 25-foot buffer, it's not real. A federal judge struck it down before it even took effect earlier this year. And yet, during this takedown outside the Floor & Decor in Gretna, officers repeatedly instructed a man who was filming the arrest to back up 25 feet. One officer breaks away from the arrest, stumbles, then gets back up and appears to push the person filming and cites that 25-foot zone. But again, that law was declared unconstitutional. And Scott Sternberg, the attorney who was representing media groups who were challenging the constitutionality of the law, talked to us about it.
The law was written in such a way that, the common person, the average person, the smartest person couldn't figure out what was illegal and what was legal. And, 25 feet from an officer could be a balcony on Bourbon Street, right? Or it could be someone who's interfering with an arrest. It could be things that we want to stop and also things that are not illegal.
Gretna's deputy chief of police tells me that he's reviewing the officers' actions. He already made clear to all of his officers that the 25-foot law does not exist. He says his officer was just trying to deal with an agitator and not trying to enforce a fake law. But again, I will stay on top of it and see what happens after the review.